Dance was the one thing where it never really changed. It was just about you being with your body and expressing your body. There wasn't, in an essence, there wasn't really like increasing skill per se. It was just, how can I find a deeper discovery outside of this? How can I understand more about this than like a sport? Can I be the best person, or like a skill or a craft? Like, can I get better refined at this? It was just, what can I learn more about this? What can I discover more about this? Dance theatre meditation is held within the walls of the theatre, where each person in that theatre becomes aware of their inner self and their inner world, as well as the marvel which they experience on the stage.